and your page is gone? Ever woken up and your page is gone? Hackers are not playing you. Here is how to protect your page from them. I'm going to share with you 5 tips that's going to help you protect your page. Okay? By the way, I am Blessing and share content tips. Tip number 1 is use strong password. Use a strong and unique password. Not birthday, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it up. Mix it up with upper and lower case or numbers. Even symbols, add it together. Tip number 2 is turn on two-factor authentication. It's very important. Go to your page setting and security and turn on two-factor authentication. It's very important. Even if someone gets your password, they'll still need what? Code sent to your phone or your email. Tip number 3 is be careful of links. Be careful. Never click substitutions link, even if it's from your friends. Your friends, trust nobody. So to protect your page, not click any link that you see. Okay? The tip number 3, no, what is tip number 4 is remove unknown admins. If you want to protect your page, your Facebook page, remove unknown admin. Go to your page setting, then page rules. Remove any name that you do not recognize immediately. Immediately. The tip number 5, which is the final one, is do not share your login details. And I want to explain more about this. Okay? Your friends, you trust them, right? I know that you trust them. If you want to add them, if you want to add them as your what? As your admin. No, how do I want to say it? If you have friends that you trust, don't ever share your login details because trust nobody. The only thing you can do is add them properly as your what? As admin. They'll become your admin, or add them as your moderator. Anyone that you are comfortable with, but do not share your login details. If you are watching to this extent and you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe so that you won't miss any of my contents. I share content that will help you grow and earn money on social media. Whether you just start to try to grow your accounts, I've got you covered. So subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first person to see my video. So don't be smart. And if you do not like this video, I will tell algorithm. So not algorithm, I will tell your data is expensive in Nigeria. If you're watching me from Nigeria, so misbehave. Okay? See you on my next video. We'll meet again to protect your page, your Facebook page, from all those people. Okay? Do it right now. Bye.